going to use voiceover. Let me turn it on.
It might take a while to blend, but I shall prevail. And the other side is
There you go.
very pink.
It's on.
I feel like I need to make the concealer areas a little bit lighter. And then we are going to blend it out. I blend, you blend.
Let me turn it down so you guys don't hear it.
Pink powder. Since I'm doing a pink avatar. Please be pink. So far, so good. Just going in with a bit of white eyeshadow to brighten up some of the areas. Now I'm just going in with pink eyeshadow and bringing it down the sides of the nose. I don't know if I like the eye area.
Okay, good. Now,
So
hey Siri.
blend it better. Just contouring the lips with more pink and the burgundy shade. Oh yes, now it's coming together. Burgundy shade.
Open settings.
Oh yeah. So I put some of that dark burgundy shade on the outer corner too, and then I'm just blending the edges out. I like it. Hit the like button if you agree. And that burgundy shade to the end of the brows. White mascara to the front of the brows. Put the middle of the light pink. Yeah, that's better. Time for the lines. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, honey. The middle bit down looks like a love heart.
I'm going to go to sound and sounds and haptics.
Highlight and shading. We're making progress. Right, let me get these body lines on.
Okay.
Over yes, blend the lines. Dot time.
Stats has logged in. Stats has logged out.
Okay, looking cute. More paint.
No, no,
I just get carried away.
I'll keep the speech on so you guys can hear it.
Oh, that was easy. Not sure if the red is too pink highlighter.
I'll put this phone here.
LeBron has logged out.
Sorry about that, guys.
Get that off. Do with that. Too small. Maybe this one can be like a real avatar. I'm sad that I haven't got my avatar theme. I need to make some new ones. I tried to put some darker pink colored streaks in the wig. I put these cute little butterfly clips all over the wig to accessorize. But I really like how it turned out. But be honest, what do you guys think? Fail. Comment a pink heart emoji if you made it to the end of the video. Hit the like button on your way out. For everyone that commented pink, I hope that made you proud. Stitch makeup. Let's do it. My brows
Constellation.
Alright, time to paint. Spread it all over. Going with a lighter blue paint. I'm going to do that on the eye. Spread it out into the darker blue. Although I kind of like that. Black eyeshadow along the inside. Extend the corners of my mouth. Yes, yes, yes. And the bottom lip. Alright, now I'm just using white eyeshadow to create like the white patch on the eyeshadow. It's just been on my makeup to-do list for so long, so I'm actually glad that I'm finally getting around to doing it. Go with the dark blue eyeshadow right in front of where I put the white down. Lovely. Hit the like button if you think it looks good so far. The dark blue eyeshadow to complete the cheekbones. I recommend slowly work my way inwards. White face paint and a really big brush creates some like strokes that look good, but close to my eye. Okay, yay, I got it in. But now it's making it look yes. Ooh, that looks scary. Feels like it looks kind of scary. Maybe if I add some lashes, it will look cuter. Let's see how those lashes look. Oh, they're kind of cute, right? What do you think? But I have some long lashes too. And these bad boys. Oh yeah. Add a bit of highlighter. Ooh, stitch. I forget.
Stats has logged in. Stats has logged out.
Hair stroke line things.
Return button.
I bought these glitter glue pens off Amazon and I emptied one of them out and filled it with latex. So hopefully this works. Okay, I'm going to start off with bare skin. Okay. This one. I do have these little thinner lips. Ooh, okay, that is really bad. It's not very secure on there, so I have to kind of hold it in place as I'm squeezing. Hopefully it doesn't rip them out.
One.
Like Beyonce. Very strange and rubbery. Time to add the colour. Gonna go with a little bit of purple colours right in the centre. All over my nose pretty much. I kind of look like the girl from Charlie. Pink. Ooh, I have a good feeling about this look. Quick comment on predictions. Do you think it's gonna turn out good or not? Now the red. Okay. What's more? That's more. And a bit of orange right next to that red. Yeah. Okay, maybe that.
Selected.
Last up is the blue.
All bar one.
Hello.
Selected.
This logo. I'm going over all the colors
Selected.
of Apple so that they really stand out. The moment has arrived. Time to peel off the latex. Okay, where's my scarlet? Here we go. Ooh.
Piano riff.
Oh my
Selected.
God, oh my
Piano riff.
gosh.
Oh, cap. Oh, crickets. Hit. Port. Cut. Bar. Marimba. Bar. All bar one. Selected. All phone. Piano riff. Selected. Piano riff. Hit ball. Hit ball. Selected. Hit ball.
Please don't rip out my hair.
Robot. Selected. Robot. Sci-fi. Selected. Sci-fi.
This is probably one of the most satisfying makeup bits I've ever done.
Selected. Sonar.
Last bits.
Scrub.
Ow, ow.
Selected. Scrub.
I love how it's multicolored. I'll be right back.
Pivot.
I'm back. And
Selected.
lights.
Pivot.
It only felt right to do rainbow lights with this makeup. Let's all take a moment for the outcome.
Time passing. Selected.
I
Time
wasn't sure
passing.
whether I should have added like gloss and
Grill.
liner and lashes. But maybe
Selected.
on the next
Grill.
one, I definitely want to try this again in other colors.
Xylophone. Selected. Xylophone.
But be honest, what do you guys think? What would you rate it out of
Rated.
10? Colorful squiggles for
Selected.
sale. if
Xylophone.
anyone
Grill.
wants
Ready. Return to Siri.
Comment
Rated.
on
Back
lollipop
button.
emoji if you
Rated.
made it to the end of the video.
Sounds and
And
haptics.
hit the
Back
like
button.
button anyway.
Sounds and haptics.
Thanks for watching.
Palette set mail. Switch. New mail. None. Button. New voicemail. Try tone. Button. Text tone. Digital. Button. Illuminate. Night owl. Illuminate. Hillside. Crystals. Cosmic. Constellation. Circuit. Chimes. By the seaside. Bulletin. Beacon. Apex. Rington. Classic. Button. Synth. Pulse. Popcorn. Key. Sounds and haptics. Text tone. Heading. Vibration. Default. Standard. Heading. Standard. Heading. Standard. Standard. Heading. Edit. Button. Vibration. Heading. Quick. Quick. Rapid. Vibration. Default. Button. Vibration. Default. A store. Heading. Tone store. Alert tones. Heading. None. Note. Default. Selected. Note. Default. Aurora. Selected. Aurora. Speech off. Speech off. Anticipate. Alert. Anticipate. L. Anticipate. Selected. Anticipate. L. Selected. L. Boom. Selected. Boom. Calypso. Selected. Calypso. Time. Selected. Time. Chimichu. Selected. Chimichu. Descent. Selected. A. Selected. Electronic. Selected. Electronic. Fanfare. Selected. Fanfare. Glass. Selected. Speech off. Speech off. News flash. Selected. News flash. Mark. Selected. Mark. Sherwood Forest. Selected. Sherwood Forest. Spell. Selected. Spell. Suspense.
Random color generator
Selected.
fits my makeup.
Suspense.
Let's do it. So I just typed in random color generator on Google and I found this
Selected.
website
Switch.
called randomcolor.com. So it has the
Selected.
colors
Switch.
and I just drag
Telegraph.
it down to refresh
Selected.
and change the
Telegraph.
next color.
Tempos.
This challenge is pretty similar to
Selected.
the color
Tempos.
girl that I do.
Tritone.
Okay, hopefully we get
Selected.
some good
Tritone.
colors. But
Speed.
no, in my look we won't.
Selected.
Foundation first.
Typewriters. Selected.
Yellow,
Typewriters.
pastel yellow.
Update.
Hopefully this is the
Selected. Update. Selected. Update. Selected. Update. Text tone. Back button.
over
Text
here.
tone.
Blend
Sit.
it out.
Pulse.
Gives you lemons. Pinky bits.
Sound. Return to Siri. Sounds and haptics. Back button. Sound. New voicemail. Try tone. Button. New mail. None. Button. New voicemail. Try tone. Button. Text tone.
Well, I guess yellow and green go together.
Sounds and haptic
This is
patterns.
going to
Edit.
be terrible.
Volume 3 words to be adjusted as change with sound. Ring button. Headphone safety. Headphone volume. Sound statistics. Settings. Back button.
That has the
Settings.
yellow in
Back
it.
button.
Contour.
Settings. Heading.
Oh, okay.
Voiceover off.
A darker green. Going with this dark
Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video.
here.
I will end this recording here.
Right here to look.
Device control.
It's kind of reminded me of that.
Flashlight.
I did.
Screen cap. Screen record.
Bye.